might be new to this thing might do new to, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. This might be new to this thing might do new to, but if you like
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So today I am back with another video. So today's video we will be featuring Amanda Hair. Big shout out to Amanda Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. I have this Balayage pre-plucked dash number 30 highlight blonde body wave wig. She is a 13x4 lace frontal. So this wig can be purchased in either a 4x4 closure or a 13x4 lace frontal. You can get this from 16 inches all the way up to 28. I have this in 24 inches. So prior to this video, I did lift the knots and I tweezed the hairline. Although this is pre-plucked and they did a good job at pre-plucking this hairline, I had to go in and do my, my special touch. But nonetheless, the hair was easy to customize. For one, the knots are fine. The knots are fine, so they lifted fast. I didn't have to leave the bleach on forever. And the hair is soft, so it was easy to tweeze. So for this style, I decided to style it similar to the picture on the website. The picture on the website does have some really pretty layers in there with some soft body waves. So we didn't want to do too much of a curl. So to lay this wig, I used the Even in the black can. That's just been my go-to. So we used the black can. I did stay away from like excessive baby hairs, although I was very tempted. Also want to let you know that this is not a full parting lace frontal, so I did finesse this side part. This is the deepest that the part can go. Nonetheless, I love this. This hair is so full. This is a whole lot of hair. So right now you see this hair is straight. I did flat iron this hair prior to install. It's still a lot of hair. Whether you wear it straight or whether you wear it wavy, it's going to be a full density wig, and we love that because that just looks so much better. I did use the biggest barrel that I have. I always pull this barrel out when I want waves, so I will have that linked in the description box along with everything else that I used. Otherwise, I love the fit of this wig, this as well as the detachable elastic band that they provide. I like that you could take the band off or adjust it to your size. Overall, I really like this hair. I love Amanda Hair. Like, I will continue to work with them because the hair is bomb. Shout out to Amanda Hair for sponsoring this video. Shout out to y'all for watching another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
this might be new to this thing might do new to, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. This might be new to this thing might do new to, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. Yeah.
Bet $1 billion that you gon' like that. Guess you never had a wild one like that. Don't really do one night shit, cause one night make them want a whole life. And you know I left my old lover in crisis, cause a new girl a hella uptight. And God broke the mold when he made my type. You got the same vibe, that's what I like. Yeah, it's all about me and talk about me and look at my pics all day. You always say please when I got to leave and say it ain't need to stay. Stay focused on T, I'm all that he needs and don't ever play no game. I love when you say my name.
This might be new to this thing might do new to, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. This might be new to this thing might do new to, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby.
I don't love you, but you know I fuck with you. I think I wanna fly you to Peru from Malibu. I wish I had you to myself. I like your attitude, you too fly. She been talking to her friends, talking about the new guy. Talking about the money that I'm spending. I got vision, so you winning. Body fine, need a mitten. If I fuck up, then forgive me. I was dead on relationships, you made me feel like living. I'ma stand on a business, cause I got multi-million plans for us all to survive. All I need for you to do is never phone and don't lie. I felt like you was the one when I had looked in your eyes. Open the door, she seen a ghost, and we should go take a ride. Doing the most, don't never post, don't let them see what we got. We're on the boat, enjoy the post, she let me get right inside. This shit new to me, I never show nobody this side.
Been testing my patience.